Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you looking to grow your audience on Facebook? Then this video is for you. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on Facebook, and if you want to learn how to put money in your Facebook ad account, and if you want to learn how to use that money in your Facebook ad account to run ads, to get followers, likes and more without buying from all those fake accounts that will give you robots. No, this video is for you. Stick around to the end of this video so that by the end of this video you will know how to add money to your own Facebook ad account all by yourself, and you will also know how to use that money in your Facebook ad account to run ads on Facebook and to optimize your audience to get effective results. So let's cut the long story short. Let's just get to the tutorial.
This to start adding money to your Facebook account, one thing is required. You need to be having a valid card, a valid MasterCard, Visa card, and sometimes Verve card. So let's just get on with the tutorial. So when you have opened your Facebook app, whether it's on laptop or whether it's on mobile, this is precisely the same thing. So as you all know, you can run ad using your normal profile. You must make sure that your profile is on professional mode. So this is my normal profile right here. You can see it's showing friends. That means it's not on professional mode. But I'm not running ad with this profile, so let me go ahead and switch to my page, because I'll be using this page to be adding money to my Facebook ad account. So this is my page right here. What I need to do now is to click on Ad Center. You can just click this thing that looks like a microphone, or you can just click your profile, any one of them you want. Let me just click the profile. So once you have clicked your profile, you will have something like this. So this is my profile. I have 12k likes, 12k followers. So to add money to this account, I need to go to where it says settings. You can see settings here. You click it. So once you have clicked settings, you can scroll down and look for where they say add payment. This is my payment place where I can manage all my payments. Once you see add payment, you click it, then it will load. You can see if you're having any balance. You can see available funds. You can see this one. I still have 564.31 naira here. So these are all my recent activities. I've added a lot of money here, and look at, I paid, this is how much I used to pay Facebook for each ad they're running for me. So let me go back to where it says add funds. Once you see your available fund, you can see where it says add funds right here. You can click it. There are different payment methods. If you don't want to just add to start adding funds, so here is if you want Facebook to store your card, that when you want to just pay, you don't need to be verifying your card again. You just want Facebook to store it and be billing you automatically. Then you can just come here to this payment method and click it. Here you can see different cards that they accept. They accept Visa card, MasterCard, and they also accept Naira payment with MasterCard for Nigerians. But this is not the method I want to use. So I don't want Facebook to store my card. Then I like adding it manually. So let me just go back and go to where it says add fund. So just click add fund. You will see almost exactly the same thing that I showed you. So here I'm adding like, let me just add something like 2000 naira. So when you're adding this, make sure you leave it on naira payment with MasterCard stroke Visa for PayU. Then when you have done it, you can just click it and next. So let's see. Here needing to put our bank info, our card info. Just click continue. Open naira payment with MasterCard. Continue. Then you will see a page like this asking you to continue. Look at it here. It says PayU Nigeria is processing this payment on behalf of Facebook. PayU will appear on the confirmation or statement of the payment method you use to make this payment. You come here and press continue. So here now we'll be needing to enter our bank info. You can see different types of bank that they accept. They accept MasterCard, Visa card, and sometimes Verve card. This Verve card don't always appear. So make sure that you're having MasterCard or a Visa card to do this. So let's go ahead and put our card info. So here, if you have cards already stored on your phone, can just put it, or can just put all your card info here. So after putting it, they'll ask you to put your CV. So CV is a number, tiny number at the back of your credit card. I've done that. You hit on pay. So it's now authenticating our transaction now. You will see a confirmation page like this. This is to verify that this is actually you that is trying to do this transaction. You go on and hit continue. So here they will send you a mail, or they will send you an SMS to the number that you use to register your card. So let's just wait to confirm the SMS. So I've received the SMS now. So let me just input the OTP. So let's see if our transaction will be successful. When you are done inputting the OTPs are usually 6 in number. So here it says you are authorizing a payment to PayU Facebook for 2000 naira on 8 blah blah blah. It's your card. Just go ahead and click pay. So now you can see it's loading up here. If your transaction is successful, you will receive a page like this saying your transaction was successful. Now you can close this. Close this now. See, funds added, 2000 naira has been added successfully. Now you can close this page and close it and open it again. So when you have opened it now, let's see if we'll be having our money right here. We're supposed to be having 2000 something now. So let's check if our money is there. Locate your add payments. So let's see, loading, let's see. So this is our fund. So this is basically how you can add funds to your Facebook account. So now let's try to run ad with this account now. what you need to do now is to go back to your home page. So right here you ad center. It looks like a microphone. You can just click it. So here is where you can just choose to continue your ad. If you already have ads running here, and choose to continue it, or you can just start running a new advert. So here, for the sake of this video, I'm going to start running new advert now. So let me go on and click advertise. So here now we have different type of ad. Get started with automated ads, create new ad, boost a post, boost an Instagram post. So in my next video, I'm going to be telling you more about what all these things are. So for the sake of this video, we are trying to create ad. We are trying to create ad to get Facebook audience, like to get Facebook followers. So let's just click on create new ad. Here now you can see create new ad. You can see different type of ads here now. See, they say automatic. Let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on your settings. So I don't want Facebook to do any of that for me. So I'm just going to have to do it myself. This is not the ad I want to run. So let me go ahead and see what I can do myself. Here, when you click the automatic, you can see different type of ads. So this number one is to get more page likes. Like if you want people to, when they see your ad, they will click the follow page or they will click the like button. You need to go for this one. Then if you want to drive traffic, more messages to your DM, both WhatsApp, then you can click on this one right here, get more messages. Then if you want more phone calls, the same thing. More if you have websites you want people to be visiting, same thing here. Here is to grow your audience, to collect your information from potential good customers, the same thing. So in this video, we are trying to get more people to like our page. So I'm just going to click get more page likes. When you click that, you can come here and press save. So here, this is not the post I want to use. Just hit on use a post. So now I'm going to use a post here. Let me see. Let me use this one. I think I like this one. Let me use this post right here. So once you click that, you will see if you show how your ad will look like. So it's still previewing the ad. So this is how my ad is going to be looking like. This is how people will see my ad. You see here says like button. So once someone just click this, that means we get a follower or we get an audience. So let's just head to the next stage. So the next stage now is to get our audience. Here we have different type of audience. We have advantage audience. We have people who choose through targeting and people who like your page. So here I just like to choose people through targeting because I don't want random people to be seeing my ad. So look through my other videos, you see where I explain on how you can optimize your ad reach, how you can optimize it to get a specific set of audience. So here you can just input any country you want. You can go ahead and check the video out. So I've done that here. Now let's just go on to the next stage. So here you can see duration. You can run this ad continuously or you can choose when this ad will end. So me, I just like to run this ad continuously. So here you can see the amount they're going to charge you per day, your daily budget. So you can decide to just increase it or decrease it depending on your budget. So if you increase it like this, you will notice that this thing right here is moving up. Once I inputting more money, you see that it's going up. So
Yeah, I'm going to be using the whole 2000 naira I put. So let me leave it like this. So once you have done that, see my available balance here. So if you don't have enough balance, they will ask you to add more fund. You can just click here to add more fund. Then when you have done that, you hit on publish. So that's, oops, I don't have enough fund. So let me just go back. This what it always show if you don't have enough fund to continue your ad. So why is showing that? Because I did not put it run this ad to this will end. So this I'm going to put 1 day. That's why it was showing that. Run this ad and choose when this ad will end. Now it's going to work. Let's hit on publish, submitting your ad. So guys, if this tutorial was helpful, you can give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So when you have done that, you can see our ad is being created. We'll let you know if it meets Meta advertising standard in 24 hours or less. So this is actually what they just say, but I used to get my own approved within 10 to 15 minutes. You will receive an email saying that your ad has been approved. Then the ad will start running just like that. So if you have any question, or if you are experiencing any issue, you can just drop it on the comment section. I'll make more videos about that one too. And I'm here to help you guys to understand this better. So give me a thumbs up, like and smash that subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you.